Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make my version of the Lego 10th Doctor Sonic screwdriver. So the materials are very simple. You don't need much. First take one of this. This is how to make the bottom. Take that, like that. Okay, take a gray one of these. Put it on the bottom, dark gray, and take one of these tires, and it has to have an X in the middle. Now stick one of these pretty long ones in the gray one. No, actually stick it in this one first. Not all the way, like leave a bit like right there. Don't stick it the whole way through. Like that. Okay, now that's the bottom. So take a long one and put these on like that. Take one of these flat tires. If you don't have the flat tires, don't use it. Don't put one on and just put some other sort of tire on. Through the middle, okay. Take one of these yellow halfway throughs and stick it in the middle. That assures that this won't move so much and won't fall off. Take a black Dalek plunger looking thing, that's what they call it, and stick it on. Now take one of these and put it on like that, and that's the middle. Now for the top, it's gonna be pretty hard. So get 4 of these black things, then get the middle part, line part, and stick it in these gray ones like that. Then get a blue clear see-through light and a white 1x1 clear see-through light and put them on like that. And put another short one as long as the other one we use in this one in, and that makes the top. Put that one, since the reason we put this one on is just to connect these two, and just connect them like that. Push them together nice and tight, and now this is going to be a little bit challenging. So you see how we made the bottom part? Take it apart. Sorry. Now take that and stick it in the tire again. Not the whole way through, like halfway in and stuff like that. Like about halfway. Yeah, halfway. Halfway's good. Yeah, halfway. Okay, twist these telescopes and put that back on again. Sorry I had to make you change it. And take that part, stick it in really hard. Now, make your hand push that on it, then push this part together, and it can extend a little bit. It doesn't extend much, just a little bit, like that. And if your hand's bigger, you could just extend it like this might take a while. And if your hand's bigger than mine, if you're a child like my age, about 8, just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You'll have 9 things to hold. But if you're an adult and you need more space to hold, just sort of a little bit pull it out. It will make it a little like half block longer for you to hold your sonic screwdriver, your 10th Doctor sonic screwdriver. And I just sometimes like putting the fire piece on there. It's pretty good. It looks like when it's the red kind. Yeah. And if you have red, clear, see-through ones, you can keep both of them, and like you can use this one day and the red one day, this one day and the red one day, and that will make it look more like Dr. River's sonic screwdriver and the 10th Doctor sonic screwdriver. So bye. This is the 10th Doctor sonic screwdriver, if you forgot. And I might not be making any more videos, but I might make a few more videos. It depends if I want to make more Doctor Who stuff. So bye. See you next time.